Hello and welcome to the Geeky Brummie YouTube channel. This is day 0 of our Advent Calendar unboxing. 25 days, gentlemen, we're locked in this room for. 25 days until the calendar is opened. We have 6 mince pies to last us.
When you said like day 0, then the fact that we're stuck in here for 24 and a bit days or whatever it is. Yeah, that's it. Day 0 sounds fine. It's zombie apocalypse.
Yeah.
I can see him at the door right now.
Yeah. So 6 mince pies, so I'm thinking that's what, an eighth of a mince pie per day each.
I think you have to separate out the little individual raisins or whatever it is that's outside. Because this is the thing, I know there's stuff inside it called mincemeat.
Yes.
I have absolutely no idea what that's made of.
Beef mince.
Is it? No.
It's not made of beef.
It's got nuts in. Some of
It's made of fruit.
Yeah,
fruit.
Think of Branston, but fruity.
Oh, that's... That's ruined mince pies for me forever now.
Why do you think no other country eats them?
Just Branston pickle that's been left on the shelf for too long.
Branston pickle with a bit more sugar. Right, so got 4 calendars. So somebody's going to end up with
2.
Well, no, we're gonna say one of them's going to be the less premium calendar, put it in that way.
Okay.
So this is like the...
So whoever gets the worst one has to open up that one.
Yes. Yeah. So Keith...
And that's a totally original idea that no one else has done.
Yes. Keith and Leigh, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing on
3.
On 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Is that paper cut scissors?
Yes.
No. The paper cut scissors cut paper.
Yeah. Right, so me and Leigh now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Double paper. No, always a mistake though. It's now me and you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's Pac-Man.
It's the paper scissors hybrid.
It's Pac-Man.
Yeah.
Right. I'll let Keith pick. Right, so we have a choice of Lego Star Wars.
Okay.
We have Star Wars Micro Force.
Okay.
Which is the less premium option.
Don't give that away. Influence the choices.
And that's gone.
Well, we're not opening that one.
Let's move this slightly along.
We have the Playmobil Advent Calendar with laser gun and batteries included.
As long as it's a working laser gun, then I'm happy.
And we have the most expensive calendar of the bunch, the Marvel Funko Pop.
Okay. So I get to choose.
You get to choose which one you want.
Oh, it's really tricky. It's really tricky. It's a toss-up between Star Wars and Marvel. So let's say, because I can't be bothered to put them together, I'm going to go with Marvel. If that's okay.
You're going to have the Funkos.
I'm going to go with Marvel. So let's switch these around.
Leigh, which one would you like out of these 2 here?
I'm going to go for the Star Wars.
You're going to go for Star Wars?
Yes.
I shall have the Playmobil then.
So Ryan gets the working operational laser gun with batteries.
So, what we're going to do, open these each day, rank them from best to worst out of the selection.
Okay.
And then whoever gets the worst gets the bonus Star Wars Micro Force calendar.
What happens to Micro Force calendar?
Yes, that one.
Do I have to go and get it?
You may have to.
Break the fourth wall.
Right, do you read this artfully crafted set, which took me many days to put together? The reason why it looks like a giant present behind us is because we'll be invading the Geeky Brummie studio at some point in the new year.
This one's quite skinny, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite not much.
But I quite like the artwork. It's quite nice.
Cool. So that is our calendars of choice. I have the Playmobil Spy kit, I believe it is, with LED super weapon. Leigh has the traditional Lego Star Wars calendar, which has been a favourite of many.
It's got porks.
Yes. And Keith has the Marvel Funko 80 Years collection.
Exclusive
Funko. Alright, so we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yes.